Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create the Tronlink account and buy crypto using fiat currency. So it's like this. You type Tronlink in Google. You're going to go to the first one. You're going to go to the Play Store, Google Web Store, and you're going to install, I have it, so I'm going to remove it first. You're going to install it and add the extension. It won't show up here. Most of the times it won't. Yeah, you gotta click this little puzzle piece and boom, click it. This is practically the same in mobile. The process is the same, at least the important parts. So it's like this. You open the text so you won't screw up, and you're gonna set a password like I don't know, man, they usually ask for capitals and stuff, so boom, I don't know, man, shit, boom 25 asterisk boom. So yeah, a special character, a capital, and numbers. So we're good. We place it here, here, yeah, symbol and number, see? Get the fuck out of the way, continue. So we're gonna create a new account. And you're going to type it like, I don't know, your name, whatever you want, like Jedediah. And it gives you the mnemonic phrase. So you need to copy this and like write it down on a piece of paper. Don't have this on the computer. It's really not safe, because you're never going to need this again. You're only going to need this if you format your computer, if you lose your Tronlink account, if you exchange cell phones and stuff like that. Okay, so continue. It's going to ask you the order in which you... Shit, I screwed up. Okay, that's okay. Jedediah. It's not the same. That's okay, I screwed up, see, because you can't leave this. Okay, midnight, continue. Now you're going to have to put it in the order in which it gave it to you. Please believe, sustain. Believe, sustain. Family guard drink. Family guard drink. Suspect green diagram. Suspect green diagram. Boil disorder. Boom, he accepted. Now he knows that you kept this passphrase. Because when you create a new Tronlink account, or I mean when you want to get your account back, after formatting your computer, changing cell phone, whatever, this is all you need to recover your account and not lose your money. I'm not sure if you need your name too, but just in case, Jedediah. Alright. So that's okay. Now this one here, this here is your public address. You need this so people can give you money, send you money, all your transactions. You need this right here. Whatever the coins you have here on your whatever tokens, whatever you got on this list, it all works through this address right here. So now what? Okay guys, so this is Binance. This is one of the best exchanges, super well known, very trusted, and this is where you can, this is just one of the places where you can buy crypto. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to create an account, and you'll have to provide identification to complete KYC, know your customer. They need your ID. They'll probably ask you for proof of address too, like a recent letter you got to your address will do, like a bank account letter or utility account, utility bills. They also work, and they'll take like either a few hours or like a day to verify you. Then you're here and you're a verified user, so you can just go buy crypto really fast, like with a credit card, bank account, a lot of possibilities. So you choose the currency you want. Here you got all countries, you got euros, you got all kind of currencies, fiat money, and you choose the crypto you want. You got a few, like let's choose dollars, but this is crypto dollars. Never mind this, let's just choose Bitcoin, okay, because I can't proceed with this, just trying to show you. So yeah, 300 pounds, it's telling you how much Bitcoin it's going to give you. And if you're curious, you can just go to CoinGecko and you press BTC, Bitcoin, and you can go here. Since we're using pounds, let's try to look for it. Where the hell? Yeah, it's here. So it's telling you it's going to give you this. So you'll just copy and paste right here, and you can see the difference in price. This is charging you 300. Here it's telling you that it's going to give you less. So you're paying about £5 for fee, and that's just fine. That's great. That's a great price. So you press buy BTC, and he will take you to the section where he's going to give you the bank account number to where you're going to send your money. Since I haven't completed this identity verification, I can't do it, so I can't show you, but this is how you're going to do it. Then it's going to ask you for your crypto address. In this case, we were talking about Tron. You would provide this address, and you're good to go. As soon as your money from the bank account arrives here at Binance, they will send you immediately your crypto. So yeah guys, that's it. Have fun. Any questions you have, just let me know. Be well.